Whenever you are speaking, you must speak with emotions. Understand this thing. If you're going to speak from your brain, it will reach to your audience brain. But on the same time, if you're going to speak from your heart, you will reach to your audience heart. So here, you need to speak with emotions in order to develop deeper level of connection with your audience, in order to touch your audience hearts. As a human being, we have beautiful quality within us, and that is we can feel emotions. Let's say that I'm talking with you, I'm interacting with you with a lot of enthusiasm, with a lot of energy. Then what will happen? You can feel my energy. I will transfer that energy to you. Whatever you feel, other person feel the same. So make sure to feel right emotions while presenting. Here, I want you to do one activity. I want you to feel the emotions. And I want you to practice that. Just feel the emotion of anger, okay? And practice speaking with a lot of anger. Feel the emotion of enthusiasm, passion, energy. And practice speaking with enthusiasm, passion, energy. Feel the feeling of sadness, that how sad you are. And then speak with sadness. And automatically your audience will get connected towards you.